The 149th Fighter Wing has played a crucial role in developing an innovative autonomous robot designed to wash jets efficiently. This advanced system significantly reduces both the time and cost associated with traditional cleaning methods, making aircraft maintenance more streamlined. By automating the process, the U.S. Air Force can ensure that its fleet remains in optimal condition while freeing up personnel for more critical tasks. Beyond its primary function of washing jets, this cutting-edge technology has the potential for broader applications. Engineers are exploring ways to adapt the system to accommodate different types of aircraft, making it a versatile asset for military aviation. Additionally, the robot could be modified to conduct various tests and minor repair functions, further enhancing operational efficiency. The introduction of such technology marks a significant advancement in military maintenance operations. By integrating automation into routine tasks, the Air Force can improve aircraft readiness, reduce operational costs, and enhance safety. As research and development continue, this innovation may pave the way for even more sophisticated, autonomous solutions in the future.